This video shows how to manage SSH server using MagicEndpoint IdP. Here the admin creates an SSH access group. Next, the admin adds an SSH server. The server is registered in the IdP by running the generated install script on the SSH host. Next, the admin adds a user and SSH server to the SSH group, ensuring that only members of this group can access the associated server. After configuration, the user can log into the SSH server by authenticating with MagicEndpoint from the command line prompt. Alternatively, the user can log into the SSH server through the MagicEndpoint Portal.